Hello, YouTube. This should be fun. So I need to put a video up for this channel, a new channel. Whoa! And I've already made a mess. Holy moly! Oh my! I rolled this bottom up, and it just squirted out on me. So this is valve. It says valve grinding. Another napkin. Actually, it's terrible. This should be laid out here. Put this on here. Where's my pocket knife? I'm gonna try and scrape up this mess I made. Ugh. That's not good. That's not good. Okay. So, anyway, we got the grinding compound on it now. Got a little backdrop so I don't mess stuff up. I'll kind of clean this up here. This is a popsicle stick is what this is. It's a 1980 copper penny. I guess it's worth, I don't know, 3 or 4 cents. And I've been instructed by the coin dealers, the coin collectors, that I am not to clean this coin or I will destroy the value of this coin, which is 3 cents. So we're going to destroy this 3-cent coin, and we are going to do a coin reveal to find out what it is. What is it that the coin collector is trying to hide underneath here? So, I'll do the popsicle stick, and then we'll do the thumb. See what's under here. Something tells me this one's going to be nice and shiny because this is a 1980. It was about the last year they made coppers. So, I think that'll do. Looks pretty good. Yeah, we'll work it out a little more here. There's that train. You guys hear the train? Always got a train around here. Alright. Don't give up. Or maybe stubborn. Don't give up. So, looks like that's going to need another dose. Where did I have that? My pocket knife here? From when I made a mess. Let's do the thumb deal. Go around and get the edges while we're doing this. So, I don't know if you guys can see. Do the thumb deal. Sorry, this is my first copper coin reveal video, so it's not going to be perfect. Not going to be perfect. But this coin's going to be perfect, George. If I have to eat 10 popsicles to get it that way. Ugh, I'm using up too much of my... Do not put it on... Put it over here. Okay. So let's scratch on it again. Get those letters to come up. The back side's the hard side. Get the letters. come up. And I'm kind of awkward position here too. Go up the sideways. Gotta put some elbow grease into it. Okay. Get the old thumb drive here. I'm liking that. That's looking good. I won't always be doing it like this. I got another idea. Plus, I got some. This is a 1980. I got like some 1600 or some 1800 pennies coming. I can't wait to do a reveal on them. Alright, I don't worry too much about the back. I'll go ahead and clean that out though. I'll get the memorial all cleaned out. Don't need brown stuff in it. That's looking good. Okay, let's do the other side. So here's what it looks like. And here's what it did look like. There's what it did look like. It looks like that. Now it looks like that. So it looks like this. Looks like that. It used to look like that. Let's run this. So this. Let's do this side. See if we can recover this Lincoln here. Can I read the date? I don't have my glasses on. Nope, can't read it. So here we go again. I've made a mess with the valve. Got a mess going on here. If you only could see the mess that I've made over here. So I got on my finger. Alright. Start with the. We'll just rub a little bit in here and see, kind of check it to see how sturdy that yuck is. And that yuck is not sturdy at all on this side. It came right off. It was easy. That's it. That's all I got to do right there. Let's go around the edges. Get the edge. Let's kind of give it a good polish in here. This is a good time to polish right here. Polish that. Yeah, I like that. That's all good. That's pretty good. Pretty good. Okay. So, wipe my hands off a little bit. Kind of drop this. Well, we still got the grinding compound on it. We need to do the front too. So, do the front. I need to set my jig up for polishing. Actually, I got a better idea. dropped my matches. I know you're wondering, what is those matches for? So we'll take out the, take this, drop it in a glass of water. Wipe my hands off a little bit. Okay, see if I can get it back out in a glass of water. There's actually 3 drops of detergent or soap. I'll rinse my fingers off a little bit here. There we go. Okay. It's water. It's just water. See the dirt in the water. Here she comes. So, just kind of clean myself up here. Okay. Yeah, that'll do. Gotta make a video quick, right? So we'll take out the brass and put in the plastic, because we like to polish with plastic. Okay. And there we go. Mint condition. Like brand spanking new. Let me put on my glasses here. I'm thinking maybe, I don't know. Get a little more water here. Make sure that thing is clean. I mean, I'm disappointed in the surface of this penny. It's not anything I did. It just has some damage on it that's really weird. Like somebody spilled orange juice on it or something. I bet I can get rid of that. That's not much damage. It's just behind the head here. Could get rid of that. What I'm going to do is I'm going to leave it sitting down here. I can really work on it. Oh yeah, that got it. That got it. Wow. Look at that shine. Oh. Oh, looks like brand new. There it is. I'm liking it. Still some up here around the top of his head. Whatever it is. Like chewing gum on it, man. There we go. Let's, we had that problem in the front. Maybe we should do the back really well. I don't think we got any problems on the back. Okay. Now we just take the shirt and we polish that up with this shirt, a flannel shirt. Really push hard when you're doing the last little buffing here with the flannel shirt. Wow! 1980D. 1980D. Looks like new. Looks like brand new. I don't know how well my camera is, but I'll be using a different camera for future videos. So there it is. 1980D. Copper penny. Was valued at 3 cents. Cleaned all the muck and the dirt, every bit of it. Made it look brand new. New value, according to coin collectors and coin dealers. 2 cents. That's all, folks. See you on the next reveal. Be looking forward to a pretty cool looking Indian head penny. Bye-bye now.